Hello everyone, my name is Rajan and you're watching me on your YouTube channel Let's Master English where we learn and practice English language. In order to speak in English, in order to speak in English, it is very important to read. So I am going to read all the books, I have taken a challenge of reading all the books, all the NCRT book which is in English, and this is class 1 NCRT book for English, The book name is Mridang. Okay, I'm going to read this book. Okay, so I'm going to read this book. It is my reading habit. Reading habit. Now let's read this book. Just like a kid. Unit 1, My Family and Me. Chapter 1, Two Little Hands. Let us sing. Two little hands go clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes look around. Two little ears to hear any sound. Two little nose to smell and breathe. One little mouth that likes to eat. Hands to clap, legs to walk, nose to smell, mouth to talk, head to move, eyes to see. I have a little body that belongs to me. Parts of the body: head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. And eyes, and ears, and mouth, and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Now let's read this. Note to the teacher. As children sing, they touch the part of the body referred to. 2. This song may be repeated till the child learns the part of the body. New ways of reciting could be thought of by the teacher. Now let's go on the other page. Let us speak. A. Repeat after the teacher. Teacher. I clap with my hands. Children. I tap with my feet. I look with my eyes. I walk with my legs. B. Talk in pairs. Ask your partner questions such as the one once below. B. Talk in pairs. Ask your partner questions such as the ones below. Nitin, what is this? Neha, this is my nose. Neha, what are these? Nitin, these are my shoulders. Nitin, what is this? Neha, this is my mouth. Neha, what are these? Nitin, these are my ears. Nitin, what is this? Neha, this is my mouth. Neha, what are these? Nitin, these are my hands. Nitin, what are these? Neha, these are my legs. These are my legs. And let's go and read this. Note to the teacher. Teacher demonstrates the action and says the sentence, and children repeat after her. Then each child says one sentence in sequence till every child in the class gets a chance to speak. Match the parts of the body with their pictures. Head, nose, eye, ear, cheek, hand, tongue, arm, mouth, foot, leg. Note to the teacher. 1. Using the picture, say aloud the parts of the body pointing to each one. 2. As children repeat after you, let them also point to the corresponding part. Let us read. Look at the pictures, read the word, then read the sentence. Okay, look at the picture, read the word eyes, and then read the sentence. I see with my eyes. Ears. I hear with my ears. Nose. I smell with my nose. Mouth. I eat with my mouth. Skin. I feel with my skin. Let us do. My hand. Place one palm in the center of the box given below. With your other hand, draw an outline. Decorate the hand with colors, colored paper bits. bindis, or anything else. Now compare your drawings with your friend's drawing. Let us do washing hands. 1. Open the tap or pour water on your hands. 2. Rub soap on your hands. 3. Wash between the fingers. 4. Rinse your hands again. Note to the teacher. Let the student listen to the instruction one by one and do accordingly. Okay? Let us sing alphabet song. Okay, I will try to read this. Okay, just like a kid. Okay, in rhyming. If I make a mistake, so forget it, ignore it. A B C D E F G I J K L M N P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. X Y Z, sugar on bread. Next day morning, come to me. We will learn the ABC. Happy, happy we shall be when we learn the ABC. Let us write A. Write the letters A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Okay. Now let's go for the next page. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Notes to the teacher. 1. Before the above exercise, make letter flashcard to indicate direction when tracing the letters. 2. Provide extra practice if necessary. Let us sing. A. Sing the alphabet phonics song for these letters. Before you start, read the word. You may sing it in this way. A is for ant, ant. B is for bag, for bag. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, for fish. G is for goat, got. H is for hut, hut. I is for ice cube, ice cube. J is for jug, jug. K is for kite, kite. I is for lion, lion. M is for mango, mango. N is for nose, nose. O is for orange, orange. Okay. P is for parrot, parrot. Q is for quilt, quilt. R is for rat, rat. S is for sun, sun. T is for table, table. U is for umbrella, U, U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, for van. W is for well, for well. X is for X-ray, X-ray. Y is for yarn, yarn. Z is for zebra, the zebra. Note to the teacher. Draw attention of the children to the initial sound of each word. Help each child say the word uh, aloud, focusing on the initial sound. Okay, let us speak letter sounds. A, X, ant, arm. B, bag. B, boy. C, cat, cap, cat. D, den, den, door, dog. E, egg, ear, elephant. Note to the teacher. 1. Draw attention of the children to the initial sound of each word given above. 2. Help them say the words aloud, focusing on the initial sound. Notice the initial sound of the words in each row. Find the odd one out. Bag, cap, balloon. Apple, ant, clock. Egg, dog, drum. Note to the teacher. Provide regular and frequent practice of the above exercise. Okay, now we have finished the first unit of the first class. Okay, just we are learning reading only. Okay, we are reading this book only. Okay, we are not focusing on understanding book. Okay, we are focusing on only on pronunciation, only on pronunciation. Okay, so that we are reading book. Okay, so that's all for today. Keep learning and keep getting better. I will get back to you soon with the new chapter. Okay, with the new unit. If you learned, if you learned something from this video, please like, share, and subscribe.